Good evening all. Today we are discussing about what is SQL, what is SQL Star Plus, and how to connect with the database and how to communicate with the database. 4 points we are discussing. What is SQL? What is SQL Star Plus? Second one. Third one, how to connect with the database. And fourth one, how to communicate with the database. Now, let me discuss about SQL. See all of you, this is your Windows operating system. In case in your system Oracle database was installed, Oracle software was installed. Once installed, how can I communicate with the database? So you are the client and opposite person is database. For the communication between user and database, we need a language. The language is called as SQL. What is SQL? SQL means structured query language. What is the use of this language? We can communicate with any database, not only Oracle. For any RDBMS, what is the common communication language? That is called as SQL, structured query language. So how to define SQL? Suppose English is there. What is there in English? So English language means there is a character set, symbols, grammar rules, words, and we should know how to write statements. Similarly, what is the collection of SQL? What is there in SQL? Under SQL, we have commands. Listen carefully. SQL is a collection of commands, operators, concepts. Concepts means joins, subqueries, constraints, classes, objects, and functions. Hope you understand. Again, I am repeating. SQL is a collection of commands, operators, concepts, classes, objects, and built-in functions. So we will discuss in SQL all these concepts. Every command we will discuss. So what is the use of SQL? To communicate with database. What is the definition? This is the definition of SQL. By using these components, we can write statements. By using SQL components, we can write statements. The statements are called as queries. Statements are called as queries. Okay. Yes, suppose we know SQL. I know how to write a statement. Listen carefully, all of you. I know how to write a statement, how to write a query. Where should I write in the system? This is the system. Can I write the statement in a notepad? Can I write a statement in the notepad? No, 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 no. So we need interface between user and database. We need interface between user and database. What is the interface between user and database? SQL Star Plus. What is that? SQL Star Plus. It is the default interface between user and database. It is also called as a client tool. If you install Oracle database, along with the Oracle database installation, SQL Star Plus is also installed. Again, I am repeating. What is SQL Star Plus? It is an interface between user and database. It's an interface window. like a notepad. It will open one window. In that window, you can write queries. So SQL Star Plus is called as client tool. How to install SQL Star Plus? We we are not installing SQL Star Plus. If you install Oracle database, automatically SQL Star Plus is also installed. Okay. Now you are a developer. You know how to write a query. You know how to write a query. The query you should write under SQL Star Plus. Then query is executed on database. Then database is giving response. That response is displayed in SQL Star Plus. The response is known as output. You are asking a question which is nothing but a query. You means user. For your query, database is giving response. That response is known as output. The output again you can see under SQL Star Plus. So here I have given some points. It's very simple points. See, what is SQL Star Plus? Client tool. What is the use of client tool? We can interact with any database. How to install SQL Star Plus? It is installed along with Oracle database software. It is installed along with the database software. And how to client make a request? How client make a request? He make a request in the form of query. Query is executed by SQL statement executor. It is under Oracle database engine. And again, the output will be displayed on SQL Star Plus window. And here we have some properties. What are the properties of SQL Star Plus? What are the properties of SQL Star Plus? See here, in SQL Star Plus, at a time, we can write only one query. In SQL Star Plus, we can write only one query at a time. You can write queries. You can write queries in lowercase, capital case, or mixed case, no problem. You can write queries in any case. And at the end of the query, you should specify semicolon. Semicolon indicates the end of the query. And SQL commands are ANSI standard. SQL commands are ANSI standard. What is ANSI? American National Standard Institute. Why it is called as ANSI standard? Because SQL commands are common in any RDBMS. So many RDBMSs are there from different companies. In all RDBMSs, the SQL commands are common. Remember, insert, update, delete, select, create, alter, drop, truncate, rename, grant, revoke, commit, rollback, save point. These are all common in any RDBMS. That's why SQL commands are called as ANSI standard. So we know what is the use of SQL. By using SQL, we can write queries. Where should I write queries? Under client tool. What is the default client tool name? SQL Star Plus. Now I want to show you how to open SQL Star Plus. How to open SQL Star Plus. In my system, Oracle Database 12c was installed. Oracle Database 12c was installed. Now see, go to here. How to open SQL Star Plus. Go to Start. All programs. Oracle folder. See here, this is Oracle folder. Oracle OraDB 12. Select that folder. Under that, application development. Select it. Under that, SQL plus, and also you are seeing SQL developer. All of you listen carefully. Here we have two options, SQL plus and also SQL developer. We are discussing about SQL Star Plus. So select SQL plus. Understand? And again, let me open the document. Open that. See, start, programs, Oracle folder, application development, SQL plus. What about SQL developer? See, let me start it. SQL developer. Hit S. Nothing is there. Both are client tools. Both are SQL Star Plus is a client tool. SQL Developer is also a client tool. See, SQL Star Plus is completely CUI interface. CUI interface. Remember, CUI means command user interface. We can communicate with the database through commands only. We can communicate with the database through commands only. So even see, I am trying to select with mouse. I am unable to select any part within the window. Not able to select anything. So means if you want to do something with the database, use the commands. What is this SQL Developer? SQL Developer is the graphical version of SQL Star Plus. Again I am repeating. This is CUI version of SQL Star Plus, and this is graphical version of SQL Star Plus. Nothing is there. Same. What is the difference? Small difference. We can do anything using commands. We can do small things using graphical icons. That is the difference. Even for the small tasks, we should write commands. For the small tasks, we don't write commands. Just we will use graphical icons. How it is? Let me show you. Both I am explaining here. Don't worry people. Don't worry about two environments. Listen. Our SQL part we will discuss under SQL Star Plus. Once we finished SQL, we will switch into PL SQL. Complete PL/SQL we will discuss under SQL Developer. Sir, what is the benefit with that? Automatically you are familiar with CUI version and also GUI environment. So it is an added advantage to you whenever you are working in the company. That's why I am touching two environments. So half of the course we will discuss on SQL Star Plus. Remaining half of the course we will discuss on SQL Developer. It's a CUI version. This is GUI version. Let me minimize. Okay. How to start SQL Star Plus? Let me start again. Go to Start, Programs, Oracle folder, Application Development. Under that, SQL Plus. Opened. What is the name? SQL Star Plus. So it is asking about username. Guys, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Yesterday we discussed about Oracle 12c. So let me open the diagram. This is Oracle 12c. Okay. Listen carefully. In your local system, first you should connect as admin, CDB admin. Next, admin switch into PDB. Admin switch into PDB. PDB means pluggable database. Pluggable database. It is also called as a local database. And CDB. See, again I am repeating. Admin connected to CDB. Admin switch into PDB. Admin create user account. Admin create user account. After that, the developer, local user can connect to pluggable database. Understand? So according to this, first admin connect to database. This is the admin username and this is the admin password. See, password component is hidden. You don't see it. Connected? Yes, connected. You was connected to Oracle Database 12c Enterprise Edition. Okay, connected. Next, admin connected to CDB. Now admin switch into PDB. How to switch into PDB? See, alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Sir, how do you know pluggable database name ORCL PDB? How do you know pluggable database ORCL PDB? Listen guys, whenever you are installing Oracle 12c, the default pluggable database name is available. Oracle 12c is created with default pluggable database name. That pluggable database name is ORCL PDB. Connected. Okay. Who was connected? Admin. Who was switched into PDB? Again admin only. Now who is the user? Admin. And what is the database name? Show container name. What is the database name? Pluggable database ORCL. Okay. Now, how to connect as a local user? See, connect as already I have one account, Dinesh08. Password is welcome. Username / password @ database name @ ORCL PDB. The user account already created. Okay. What it is saying? Connected. So this is how to open SQL Star Plus and how to connect with pluggable database. What is my next target? See, I want to know bank account details. I want to know bank account details. Listen guys, already data available in database. Assume that. How data is stored into RDBMS? In which format data is created in the RDBMS? Anybody? Yesterday I explained. You are nearer Saket, but you are missing something. No. How can I store data into RDBMS? Rows and columns. Where are the rows and columns? Tables. The data is saved in the form of tables. Understand? So, before requesting information, you should know the table name. See, I want to know all bank account details. Select star from customer account details. These are the bank account details. Account number, account type, account open date, account balance, and customer number. I want to know customer details. Table, Saket. So I want to get customer details. These are the customer details. What are the different employees in your company? Get me employee names. Select e-name from EMP. These are the employees in my company, in my business. I hope you understand. So see here, at a time I am writing only one query. That query is ending with semicolon. You can type the query in lowercase or uppercase or mixed case. Understand? So this is the way you can communicate with the database. So to communicate with the database, first we need interface. What is the interface? SQL star plus. And then connect as admin. After that, switch into local database. After that, the admin will create user account for you. So now connect as developer, not admin. So how to connect as developer? This is connect. This is client username slash password at the rate local database name. Hope you understand. Okay. Okay. So I understand how to connect with the database. How can I disconnect? My work was completed. How to disconnect? Exit. Exit. Then automatically it was disconnected. So just now you observed the environment of SQL Star Plus. For the time being, just listen how to work with SQL Developer means GUI version. It is a graphical version. Okay, how to work with this environment. Let me connect with this Dinesh 7. I want to connect as Dinesh 7. Enter the password welcome. So I hit it. It is saying username is invalid, means user account was deleted by me. Okay, let me delete this. Let me connect as Dinesh 8. I think it is also deleted. Okay, don't worry. Let me connect as Dinesh 08. So 08 connecting first time. So create a connection for 08. Select what is the connection name? Dinesh 08. He is a developer. So just specify dev. It is a connection name. What is the username? Dinesh 08. What is the password he is using? Welcome. And what is the service name? Don't use XE. You are not working with XE. We are working with ORCL PDB. ORCL PDB. So submit 4 entries: connection name, username, password, service name. Test your details. What is the status? Success. Now connect. Automatically you will be connected. Don't worry about it. So here you should observe one point here. How many accounts here? 4 accounts. Out of 4 accounts, who was connected? Dinesh 08 is connected. Dinesh08 is connected. Understand? Now see, here I want to know what are the table names under Dinesh08. What are the table names? Actually, in SQL Star Plus, we should write a query. But here, it is not necessary to write a query. It is not necessary to write a query. Simple. See here. Expand Dinesh08 schema. Expanded. So many folders. Expand tables. So many tables here. See here. I want to know customer account details. This is the table. Don't write any query. It is very simple thing. Just select it. If you select it, in the right side window, it is displaying column names. I need data. Here is the option. See here, all of you. Data. Select. Are you seeing the data? If you want to see same data in SQL Star Plus, you should write a query. But here, it is not necessary to write a query. Some type of simple things we can do by using graphical icons. No, Saket. It is a different user account. Dinesh08. So Dinesh08 user account was created 2 months back for old batch. I created these tables. The tables not available by default. I created these tables and I inserted data into the tables. Okay. Yeah, this is the way we can do simple things. And also guys, listen carefully. I have 7 tables are there. 7 tables. I will provide the document to you. In that, just open the document, copy the tables, paste into SQL Star Plus window. Paste into SQL Star Plus window. Automatically tables are created. Data is also inserted. Don't worry about the tables. I will provide the tables. Okay, anyway, so some type of simple things we can do by using graphical icons. So this is the graphical environment of SQL Star Plus. Sir, can I write queries here? Yes. Yes, Vijay. Vijayas, uh, didn't get your name. Yes, Vijay Sudhakar. You can also, Vijay. Okay. So we can also add data by using graphical. Okay. Can I write any queries here? Yes. Here the cursor is blinking. This area is called as query builder window. You can type the queries. See? Select ename from EMP. Select ename from EMP. So type the query, select the query and select run statement. Control enter is the shortcut. Control enter. See, query selected. I am using control enter. Completed. So you can see the result of the query in the bottom window. This is query output window. The above is query window. Below is query output window or result window. So in the graphical version also, if you want to write queries, you can write. If you are not interested, then you can do simple things by using graphical icons. That is what I want to explain. Don't worry about any environment. Why? Because we will work with 2 environments in our training. First, we will work with the CUI environment. Later, for PLSQL, we will work with GUI environment. Okay, my work was completed. How can I disconnect from the database? Dinesh08. You can see a plug mark. Right click on Dinesh08. Select the option disconnect. Disconnected. Go to file menu. Select exit. It is prompting for, do you want to save changes in this window? No. Disconnected and closed. I hope you understand, guys. Okay. Let us see about our document. We understand what is SQL and also what is SQL Star Plus. Now we know how to open SQL Star Plus. I understand. Before connecting to database, before connecting to database, we should know, we should need user account. Who will create user account? The user account is created by database administrator. So first connect as administrator and then create user account for the client. So now we are going to see how to create user account. How to create user account. All of you see here. Just I am listed here how to open SQL Star Plus. Just now we have completed. Start programs Oracle. So here 12C application development. Under application development select SQL Plus. Next, in SQL Star Plus window enter DBA username and password. Why? Because it is Oracle 12C. Understand? So okay, I have given two parts, Oracle 11G and hold on. Oracle 11G as well as Oracle 12C. Two things I have given. How to open SQL Star Plus in 11G and also how to open SQL Star Plus in 12C. Two navigations I have given. And what are other client tools? SQL Star Plus is a CUI tool, but we are also having GUI tools. What are the other GUI tools? SQL Developer, PL SQL Developer, and Toad. These three are well-known GUI client tools. So the one of the most frequently using GUI tool is SQL Developer. Okay, now how to log on? If you want to connect to database, you need user account. How to create user account in Oracle 12C? How to create user account in Oracle 12C? So first, who will create user account? DBA. He is creating which user account? Developer user account. So developer work with which database? Local database known as ORCL PDB. First, open SQL Star Plus. We know how to open SQL Star Plus. Just now we completed. Start, programs, Oracle folder, application development, then select SQL Plus. Then what will happen? It will open SQL Star Plus window. See, if you follow the document, no need to study additional notes. Each and every step I have given very clearly. So it is opening SQL Star Plus window. First of all, you should connect as DBA. So enter username and password of DBA. In my system, the username is system. Password is so and so password. Okay. Once connected, if you want to see current username, use this command. See, this process is under Oracle 12c. If you want to see current database name, so show connection name or container name. It is giving this is the answer. Show username, then it will print system. This is the reply. DBA username. This is the output. Next, system should switch into PDB. See, switch into PDB. What is our PDB? Here two versions are there. Okay, anyway. Switch into pluggable database. Let me write like this. Pluggable database. Okay. See here. In this way you can switch. Alter session set container equal to PDB ORCL. All of you listen guys. Be careful. Oracle 12c released in two versions. Release 1, release 2. In release 1, what is the default database name? PDB ORCL. In release 1. In release 2, what is the default pluggable database name? ORCL PDB. I hope you understand. Oracle 12c released in two times. First release, second release. In release 1, what is the default pluggable database name? PDB ORCL. In release 2, what is the default pluggable database name? ORCL PDB. Remember. Okay. Now, how to switch into pluggable database? Alter session set container equal to PDB ORCL. Now, show container name again. This is the container. Means you means DBA is working with pluggable database. Now, how to create user account under pluggable database? Who will create user accounts? DBA. So DBA connected to local database, he is creating user account by using this command. Create user, username, identified by password. In Oracle 12c, compulsory we should specify how much physical memory reserved for the new user. How much physical memory reserved for new user? See, create user Dinesh, identified by password. I want to reserve 200 MB for Dinesh. Then quota, continue the command, quota 200 M. Compulsory specify M. M is means megabytes, MB. 200 M on users. And see, create user Dinesh, identified by welcome. Quota, how much memory reserving for Dinesh? 100 MB size. If you want to reserve 500 MB physical memory, 500 M on users. User created. This is the response from the database. Now, once user created, DBA should give some permissions to Dinesh. Connecting permission and required resources. How to give the permissions? See, grant resource comma connect. Grant common resources and connect permission to Dinesh. Grant succeeded, successfully granted. Now Your user account is ready. Dinesh user account is ready. Now you can connect as Dinesh. How to connect? See, connect as CONN or CONNECT. Anything is right. Connect Dinesh slash welcome at the rate PDB ORCL. I hope you understand. Okay, it's very simple. See, let me show you how to create user account. Listen carefully. First, open SQL Star Plus. This is SQL Star Plus. Connect as DBA. System Manager connected. All of you listen here, guys. What is the release number? Release number 2. Just now I told you 2 releases. Release 1, release 2. Under release 2, what is the default pluggable database? ORCL PDB. Under release 1, PDB ORCL. Be careful. Okay, here. Now, system connected to so and so database. To which database he connected? Show container name. To the common database he connected. So first he should switch into local database. How it is? Alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Session altered. Who is the user? DBA. What is the container name? ORCL PDB. Before switch, CDB. After switch, ORCL PDB. Now, DBA should create local user account. DBA is creating local user account under ORCL PDB. This is what I want to show you. Let me create user account. How to create? Create you. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. You should understand parallelly. That's why. Hold on. Okay. If you see these two, then you can easily understand how to create user account. See the example here. You can easily understand. Okay. Create user. What is the username? Dinesh. Here I am giving like this. Our class is at 8:30 p.m. So let me take 830. Dinesh 830. Identified by welcome. You can specify any password, but you should remember the password. Quota. How much size? 150 M. 150 MB size. On users. What is the response you got? User created. What is the next step here? Grant resources to Dinesh. How to grant? Grant resource, comma, connect to Dinesh 830. Okay, semicolon. Grant succeeded. Now Dinesh user account was created successfully. Next one, I want to connect as Dinesh. I want to connect as Dinesh. How to connect? Sorry. Here. Connect or CONN. Short name is also enough. Short command is also enough. Remember. Connect Dinesh 830 slash welcome at the rate ORCLPDB. Connected. So you are a developer. You are successfully connected to database. Now check username. Show user Dinesh 830. Show container name ORCLPDB. So tomorrow onwards we will work with this user account. We can directly connect with Dinesh so and so. Understand how to create user account? Now let me explain what is the process of user account for 11G. This is the process. Open SQL Star Plus, connect as DBA, and then create the user account. See, create user Dinesh identified by password. Don't specify any space for the user account. Here we are specifying space. Here we are not writing any space for the user in Oracle 11G. Next, grant resources, that is common. Now connect as Dinesh. How to delete user account? We know how to create user account, but how to delete user account? Again, who will delete user account? User accounts are deleted by DBA. So first connect as DBA, then use this command drop user Dinesh and then cascade. Automatically user account will be deleted. All of you see here. I want to show you deleting user account also. Who is the user present working? Dinesh 830. Now connect as DBA. System, my password is manager underscore 5 at the rate ORCLPDB. So who was connected to database? DBA. DBA can delete user account. Drop user Dinesh 830 and cascade. See here, user dropped. Understand? If you want to disconnect from database, simply use exit, close it. So this is about how to create user account, how to delete user account. Now, what is SQL Star Plus? Interface. How to communicate? By writing queries. How to write queries? By using SQL components. So under SQL components, one of the part is SQL commands. What are the SQL commands in our Oracle? See, SQL commands are divided into Vijay, we don't create main DBA system user account. It is a default user account. It is a default user account. The default DBA username is system or sys for all users. For all users, for any user, even in the company also, the default DBA username is system. Okay, but it you see, system is provided by Oracle company, right? But generally, in the real-time companies, in the company live environment, we have to maintain one DBA account ourselves, not system. So what they will do, listen carefully Vijay, what they will do is, they will create one user account. Suppose Dinesh. Dinesh is a user. Actually, Dinesh is created as a developer, not DBA. Then system will do one point. System means DBA. default DBA. The default DBA will give the permission to Dinesh. Okay, the default DBA give the DBA privileges to Dinesh. DBA privileges means DBA role is created for Dinesh. So from that moment onwards, Dinesh can act as DBA. System is the default DBA. What is the created DBA? Dinesh is the created DBA. So we can do like this. See, create Dinesh user account. After that, grant permissions. After that, grant DBA to Dinesh. What is the command? Grant DBA to Dinesh. After that query, Dinesh can act as DBA. Understand? In that way, in like Unix and Linux operate. Yes, in Unix or Linux, in any operating system, same command. Yes, in Unix multiple users are there. Then what is your question? Tell me. All these see, don't compare Oracle and Unix. Both are different. Unix is operating system. Oracle is a database. Yeah, that's why I touch that point. Don't combine Unix knowledge and Oracle knowledge. Why? Because way of doing DBA in Oracle is different. Way of doing admin in Linux is different. Why? Simple. Nothing is there. See, operating system Linux. Who will control the operating system means network admin. Understand? OS admin. OS admin will control entire system, but DBA admin will control only database. OS admin is different, DBA admin is different. Understand? Database is a part of your system, but OS system means he is the super user for all others. Yeah, don't mix these two knowledges, okay? Right. So anyway, your doubt is clarified, I think. Now, SQL commands are divided into 5 categories. These are the categories: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DRL. What is DDL? Data Definition Language. Data Definition Language means how to create object. Object means just now we created user account. It's one object. How to create user account, how to delete user account, how to manage user account. So how to create objects, change objects, delete objects, that we can do by using DDL commands. What are DDL commands? These 5 commands are DDL commands: create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. Each command we will discuss in the upcoming sessions. Next, DML commands. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. So table created successfully. How to enter data, how to delete old data, how to change some modifications, how to apply, how to manipulate the data. That we can do by using insert, update, delete. Insert, update, delete. These are DML. Okay. So many tables and each table have data. How to get data from one table? Or how can I see data from multiple tables? You can do it by using select. It's known as data retrieval or data query language command. Next, DCL, data control language. So many tables, so many users. See, I am the owner for two tables. You are the owner for other three tables. Somebody is the owner for some other tables. So any user can access any table data within the database? No, owner cannot permit it. So each and every user should be controlled for security purpose. So how to give the permission according to requirement? How to cancel permission? That you can do by using grant and revoke. Grant and revoke. Grant means giving permission, revoke means cancel permission. Next one, TCL commands, transaction control language commands. See, if you make a transaction but you want to cancel that transaction, how to cancel? By using rollback. Suppose you make a transaction and you don't want to cancel it at anymore, then you should make the transaction as permanent by using commit. And you can hold some transactions under save point. So commit, rollback and save point are commands under TCL. These are the total commands we have. Total 14 commands in our SQL. You can count under DDL 5, DML 3, total 8, 9, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So these are the SQL commands. Right? What are the topics we discussed today? How to connect to database. What is SQL Star Plus? What is SQL? Before working with database, what we need? We need user account. How to create user account and how to delete user account also. And what are the list of SQL commands? Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about the first command, create. Understand? So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Rest of the part we will continue from tomorrow. If you have any questions, ask me.